Gaming while flipping burgers. That's what time it is. My mom. 2,000, 546. And you have to type that out. Okay?
5.
Word form. Use the form of your words and formulate
100.
correct spelling while you're doing it.
46.
Or else I'm gonna get them toes. French toast.
Can you make this one?
And of course the schoolwork is out of the way, so let the games begin. Alexa, do I suck? Let's try it again. Almost done with 3 burgers. That's what I get for trying to game and cook at the same time. I'm either gonna burn the food or I'm gonna die. Yeah, I love this. Sonic Dash, one of the things I love about this game. I should have checked the burgers while I was floating in midair. Oops. Hey, on the bright side, I'm going to be trying this new flavoring, this seasoning with these burgers. So, panties! Panties! Crazy kids. This new seasoning ought to be pretty good. Noticed is I want you and I to be closer than skin. So check out this new song that I just put out on YouTube. And thank you for watching.